Hello everybody, I am Kevin Anderson. I'm the National Sales and Marketing Manager for Theodist Limited. We have been running a draw and we're really happy that 260 participants in the event have actually registered to be a lucky winner of a Torq i3 laptop. Right, so we're going to stop it in 3, 2, 1, stop. Oh! Congratulations.
Thank you.
No worries, no worries. On behalf of Theodist.